Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the details of Urban Extension Road 2, that is UR2 in Delhi. I will also tell you about the spur to Sonipat bypass and spur to Bhadugarh bypass from UR2. It is proposed as third ring road of Delhi for decongesting Dhola Kua and other sections of both outer and inner ring road. The road was proposed by DDA Delhi Development Authority from NH1 to NH2 connecting Dwarka Subcity and Rohini. The UR2 alignment in phase 1 comprises of the section between NH1 and NH8 via NH10. A part of UR2 section between Shiv Murti and Dwarka sector 24 intersection is already being taken up by NHI as part of Dwarka Expressway. Since a part of UR2 is under the scope of Dwarka Expressway project, therefore the development scope of UR2 phase 1 under this project will start from National Highway 1 and terminate at Dwarka sector 24 intersection. Remaining section of UR2 will be undertaken by Delhi Public Work Department as part of UR2 phase 2. In addition to this alignment, two spurs are also proposed to be developed, which includes a spur between UR2 and Sonipat bypass and another spur to Bhadugarh bypass connecting UR2 and Bhadugarh bypass NH10. Total length of UR2 from NH1 to sector 24 intersection is 38.2 kilometers. Adding section of Dwarka Expressway between Nelson Mandela Marg to Dwarka sector 24 intersection crossing NH8 near Shiv Murti, total length of UR2 comes out to be 52.3 km. Once operational, UR2 will provide an alternate route to the commuter and free traffic between northern parts of Haryana to Delhi and Gurugram. It will also serve the daily commuter traffic between West Delhi and Gurgaon via UR2 and Dwarka Expressway. As per the Delhi Master Plan, the proposed right-of-way of UR2 is 100 meter. The road section design will include dual 3-lane carriageway, 3-lane wide service and 3-meter wide central median along with provision of 10-meter LRT or tram corridor on left hand side. The road section also includes provision for non-motorized transport, that is pedestrian walkways and cycle tracks. At certain stretches the required right of way is 140 meter, also having a provision of 20 meter wide green belt in addition to the road right of way. Sonipat is proposed to be connected with UR2 by a spur road, which will take off at a crossing of UR2 with Bhavna Industrial Area, Sector 3-4. The same spur will connect UR2 with Varavasani Bypass NH252A near Sonipat. Length of the spur has been worked out to be 28.3 km. This road will assist in reducing the traffic load on NH1 as this section will serve as an alternate connectivity between Delhi and Sonipat, further connecting Sonipat with Gurgaon. This figure represents the proposed connectivity between Varavasani bypass and UR2. Spur to Bhadugarh bypass is proposed to be developed as an additional road along with the proposed UR2. The proposed section will have a total length of approximate 7.6 km from UR2 to Bhadugarh bypass near village Ballur NH10. This spur will provide direct connectivity to commuters from Bhadugarh and Rohtak to areas of Delhi including Vasant Kunj, Huis Khas, Green Park, etc. and parts of Gurugram via UR2 and Dwarka Expressway. As per past changes, this complete project is now undertaken by NHAI, that is National Highways Authority of India. Thanks for watching complete video. Subscribe my channel for more updates.